This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another boot speed test video. This time of the last version of iPhone, that is iPhone 17 Pro Max. An iPhone 12 base version. Gonna check iPhone 17 can win with the base version of 12. So power button, they're the similar place. So without any further ado, I'm gonna hit the power button. 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 17, as you can see, Apple logo appears little bit later. So let's see which phone can boot faster in first shot. iPhone 12 wins this one with a big differences. Wow. So I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna check if there any application open or not. I'll close them, nothing open, and I'm gonna close this one to try one more time. iPhone 12, the winner. I will check this one as well. Low battery. Anything? I don't see anything here. I shut down. Perfect. One more try. We'll change the hand in this case to see which one can boot faster. 1, 2 and 3. Let's see which one can boot faster. I think iPhone 12 gonna win this one. I don't know. Wow. iPhone 12 is the winner, guys. We tried couple of times. You see that. So the last version of iPhone fell to the oldest version of iPhone. So you guys decide if you have this phone. Still this phone is valid if you want to buy. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.